Hey guys, what's good? I'm Ravi and this is Mehak Nair from Bodyprocoach Nutrition, and we've got something really amazing, and that's gonna get you a great feeling of eating something really cool.
So today we are going to be doing a keto egg bun.
Let's go.
2 mason jar, or you can take a cookie cutter. To that we're going to add Next, I'm going to add some cheese to one of them. That's cheddar cheese. Spray oil. Half cup water, mind blowing.
Alright guys, it's looking amazing. So it's getting the exact way that we thought about it, and it's looking amazing. So we've got some really good surprise. So you've seen it in both the eggs. We put cheese only in one egg. So we got some lettuce leaves. We've got some really finely chopped cucumber. I'm going to chop the onion into as thin as possible.
And our yummy delicious eggs are ready.
Where's the water gone, Mehak?
It has got all evaporated.
Wow, sounds amazing. Let's look into it now.
And I'm gonna place some lettuce leaves on it.
Alright guys, guess what are we making right now? It's something
cucumber,
damn interesting.
some ring onions, and lastly I'm gonna add some chaat masala. Time for round 2. So our egg bun is ready. So our super easy, super cool keto egg bun is ready. Why do we take this as an option? Why? Because it's loaded with protein. It provides you satiety. It's a complete meal and it's going to be really filling, and I'm sure you're all going to enjoy it.
Alright guys, you want to make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon that you always get these kind of amazing videos, because we've got about more than 6 videos coming in a week, and that's on recipes, information and train to look good programs, which is HIIT programs. Thank you so much for tuning in. We are looking forward to see you in the next video. Cheers, and please do share the channel with your friends and family, and of course thumbs up for all the videos.
Thank you.
Thank you.